So moving is stressful, right? I think we can all be in agreement about that. Well, I want to tell you something that I did the last time I moved that made it by far my easiest move ever. So Andrew and I bought this house that I'm currently standing in 2022. And we both needed to sell our homes. That's a whole other story about how we figured all of that out. But what I did, because if I take my foot off of the gas pedal in my business, I feel it 2 to 3 months later. And I really couldn't afford that. And so I did something that made my move so easy. And that was hiring a packer. There were a lot of things, of course, that I packed myself, but I chose the most daunting tasks, which for sure included the kitchen. And I found someone to pack for me, someone who is like really good at packing. And so she extremely efficiently packed my kitchen, my closets, my bathrooms in a fraction of the time that it would have taken me. So one, I saved all of that time, and two, it wasn't that expensive. So now packing is something that I include in my process with my sellers because I know just how incredibly valuable it was for me. And I'm working now with a packer and organizer who can come in and help my clients really simplify that part of the process just to make this whole thing so much smoother.